Drawing with Ava. Hello little friends, I'm Ava. Welcome to our drawing and painting channel. Today we will draw and learn a lot about an important creature of nature that is the bee. Now get ready, get your pencil and let's go. Let's start drawing our bee by the antenna. Did you know that antennae have the senses of hearing, smell and touch? Now we go around the head. Antennas are key to directing the bee into the darkness of the hive. Now we draw the second antenna. Now I'm going to go around the other part of the head. Now we draw one of the wings of the bee very slowly. Bees are incredibly hardworking and important insects for nature. Now we draw the second wing of our bee. Bees are responsible for plant pollination. We draw the tail of our bee. Keep doing it in the same line very slowly. We go around the third wing. Bees also produce honey, wax, royal jelly, and propolis, which are valuable raw materials. We will draw the last wing. Our bee is already beginning to appear. We finish the outline joining with the head. Let's go to the details. First we contour the head. Okay, it's getting good. Now let's draw the body with its black stripes. Did you know that bees live in hives where there is division of tasks? Bees always fly long distances. Wow! Have we reached the face? Let's draw the bee's right eye. Now the left eye. Our bee is already getting complete. To finish our bee, we draw her mouth. Wow! Have we finished our outline? It was very easy so far. How about? Are we going to paint? I've already separated the three colors. Let's paint our beautiful bee. To paint all 4 bee wings, let's use the light blue color. Bees are facing problems from pesticide use and climate change. Worker bees are the most common and they collect nectar, pollinate plants and take care of the hive. It is very important to help protect bees. Very well! For the body we will use a very strong yellow. Now, let's use the orange to paint the face of the bee. It is a very colorful and happy design. Drawing and painting with me is a really cool way to learn about bees. To finish, we paint the orange antennae. Little friends, our bee design was beautiful. Congratulations! It was amazing! Thank you for drawing this beautiful bee with me so far. I hope you had a great time. Now, you can leave a like in this video and subscribe so you do not miss any new drawing. I will always bring new designs here. A super kiss from Ava and see you soon.